Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Another mild start to the day for mid to late January. Seeing temperatures in the lower to mid 40s across the area. Going to see some rain showers move through today as we have a warm front moving through the area this morning. Then we'll have a cold front move through the area for later on this evening into the late evening hours. We'll see slightly breezy winds as well as we move towards the evening hours today. But overall, not going to see a lot of precipitation today. Just a few isolated scattered rain showers throughout the day, and we'll see that cold front move through around midnight tonight, and that's going to be our best chance of rainfall. For today, during the work hours, not going to see any chances of lightning, just that slight chance to a chance of some rain showers across the region. So looking at our current surface analysis, we have this warm front moving through the area currently. We have a cold front that's currently well off to our west. It's going to move through for late this evening, and we'll continue to see some cloudy skies across the region for this morning into the rest of the day. Looking at our current observation, a few clouds at 7,000 feet, broken deck at 10,000 feet, overcast deck at 20,000 feet, east winds at 5 knots, temperature 43 degrees, and relative humidity around 85%. So taking a look at our current radar imagery, you can see we do have some showers off to our south and to our west as well. You're going to see these rain showers move through the region later this morning, giving us some sprinkles, and then we'll see this cold front that's well off to our west and southwest. It's going to move through the region, as I mentioned, later this evening, and that'll be our best chance of rainfall. And taking a quick look at the satellite imagery, you can see here lots of cloud cover across the area this morning, and that will be the case throughout the day today. We'll see possibility of a little bit of sunshine or some filtered sunshine when we move into the late afternoon hours once this warm front does clear the region to the north and we get into the warm sector. But overall, going to see a fairly cloudy day across the region. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see those rain showers passing off to our north, but still a slight chance of seeing that across our region with a sprinkle with that warm front continuing to move through the region. And once that moves north of our area, we'll see some prefrontal showers starting to approach the region, most likely after about 4 to 5 o'clock this afternoon into the evening hours, and then we'll continue to see a chance of rainfall once we move in the evening hours with this cold front starting to stretch and move towards our region. And this is at 8 o'clock this evening, so that cold front will be off to our north and to our west and approaching the area. You can see some embedded heavier rainfall, a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Most of the models are showing if we do have a thunderstorm across the peninsula, it will be north of the Delaware-Maryland line. So only a slight chance or very slight chance across our region for this evening. Here is 10 p.m., 11, and then midnight. You can see that front clears the area by the time we get to midnight tonight. So looking at our risk chart for today, there's slight chances of some sprinkles this morning. Temperatures rising into the mid-50s to upper 50s for today. Expecting a high around 56 degrees for the daytime hours. Then we'll see temperatures drop a few degrees with those rain showers moving in after about 1600 local, and then they'll rebound once that cold front starts to advance towards the region. The winds switch out of the southwest off the land at 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 23 knots, and we'll see those temperatures rise up to around 59 degrees around midnight and then fall thereafter with colder air moving in the region with a northwesterly wind, 8 to 13 knots, plus the gusting as high as 20 knots overnight. So looking at our rainfall chances, I mentioned, best chance will be between 1600 and midnight. So looking like not going to see a lot of precipitation, could see a burst of heavier rainfall with that cold front moving through for later this evening into the early overnight hours. As far as the thunderstorm chances go, we'll see about a 10% chance of a thunderstorm for the evening hours. And once that cold front does move to the region, thunderstorm chances will diminish to 0%. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see variable cloudiness across the region with several different layers across the area. We'll see most likely a broken deck around 4,000 feet and 8,000 feet once we move past noon. We'll see a time period where we do have just some ceilings above 15,000 feet with that warm sector moving into the region, and we'll continue to see those slight chances of rainfall this morning into the early afternoon, then better chances of rainfall once we move past 1,700 local and through about midnight. And then after midnight, we'll see skies clearing with mostly clear skies by tomorrow morning, with just a little bit of clouds, between at 3,000 feet and 25,000 feet. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday, Friday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy, windy, high 54. We'll see a wind advisory, most likely throughout the day on Friday. Friday night, partly cloudy, mostly clear and slightly breezy, low of 33. And for Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy and chilly, slightly breezy early with a high of 46 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock, we'll look at the next 7 days.